Hey guys, David here, and welcome to my Bulletproof Method review. Now, inside this video, I'm going to go over everything that is inside the Bulletproof Method. I'm going to teach you what you're going to be learning, and if you stick with me, I'm going to show you the custom bonuses that I have prepared for you if you decide to pick up the Bulletproof Method from the link down below this video inside the description. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump in and talk about what is the Bulletproof Method. So the Bulletproof Method is a course that's going to teach you how to use something called pay-per-call. So it's slightly different than affiliate marketing because you're getting paid when people actually call a number on a page instead of buying something from you. So there's less of that barrier because they don't actually have to purchase anything. All they have to do is make a call and you get a certain amount of money for that. So let's go ahead and jump inside of the Bulletproof Method. So here's the sales page of the Bulletproof Method, and it says case study reveals a simple way to bank an easy XXX within 24 hours right now with free traffic. So they're going to be using free traffic, teaching you how to get money with the pay-per-call method. That's essentially what they're saying in this bold headline. Now, there are some bullet points here to decide. It says it has nothing to do with affiliate marketing. That's true because it's pay-per-call. It's slightly different. 100% newbie friendly, definitely. Uses a little known free traffic method. That is also true. No special skills or experience needed, and that's because you're just basically referring people to a phone number. So there's not a lot of skills necessary. You don't need an email list. You don't need to use paid traffic or anything like that. Now, let's scroll down. You can see some of the proof right here, the payment proof that Anthony is making from this method. You can see another $1,380 with just a little bit of effort because all he's doing is referring people to that pay-per-call number. And as you can see, it's passive income because once you set it up, you can leave it and it'll make you money while you sleep. So on your own time, go ahead and just scroll down and take a look at this sales page. There's a lot of good stuff from Anthony Mancuso and Paul Nicholls. These are the creators of the Bulletproof Method. Right now, I want to go ahead though and talk about the custom bonuses that I have prepared for you. So in order to get to the bonus page, click on the link down below this video. It'll take you to my bonus page, which looks like this. And if you scroll down and click on any of these green buttons right here, it'll take you back to the sales page where you can pick up Bulletproof Method if you are interested in it at all. So let's go ahead and take a look at my bonus page. I have a bunch of information here about all of the upsells and the funnel and exactly what the Bulletproof Method is all about. If you scroll down a little bit farther, you're going to see my bonuses. Now, bonus number one is I'm going to teach you how to use a video in order to make sales with pay-per-call. So teaching you how to rank videos with strategic SEO. This is what I do on a daily basis. I'm ranking YouTube videos to bring in my own income. So I'm going to teach you how to do this and outrank bigger channels. Bonus number two, I'm going to teach you a specific secret system that I'm using to rank my YouTube videos. Now this is advanced stuff that nobody likes to share, but I'm using a system that is ranking my videos on autopilot, and I'd like to show you that in bonus number two. Now these are all custom bonuses. You're not going to find this information anywhere else because I'm the creator of these bonuses. They're not PLR, so you're not going to get them off the internet. Bonus number three is I'm going to teach you how to use Quora. So you can actually use Quora when people are searching for a specific question. Say if you're doing a pay-per-call lead for like a solar panel, you could find a question where people are asking, how do I find solar panels? You can answer that question, and this is going to teach you how to rank your answer at the top of Quora and get more traffic to your pay-per-call page. Bonus number four, I'm going to teach you how to use Facebook in order to build up a buyer's list, people ready to buy your pay-per-call, or instead of buying, call that pay-per-call number. I'm going to teach you how to get tons of different clicks from Facebook for free. So these are all free traffic methods. Nothing here is paid. Bonus number five is Instagram. I'm going to teach you how to use Instagram in order to get leads from Instagram, how to build up a profile without any black hat, so all organic. I'm also going to teach you how to do it without follow and unfollow. So there's also a 30-day money-back guarantee for the Bulletproof Method. If you are not interested in it, or if it's just not working out for you, there is a money-back guarantee. Now, let's go ahead and talk a little bit more about what you're going to be doing. So here is something called Offer Vault, and this is all the different pay-per-call offers on Offer Vault. So as you can see, there's a whole bunch of different pay-per-call offers. So guide to lenders, credit card companies, auto insurance, divorce lawyers, locksmith, and all kinds of different things here. And you can see that they're paying pretty good amounts. So $40 here, $15 here, and all you have to do is just get them a lead. So all you have to do is just get them to call a number. A lot of people are making good money with this method, and this is exactly what you're going to be learning inside of the Bulletproof Method. So you can come here and you can check out this website, and you can check out all these different niches that you can go into and make money with pay-per-call. So this is essentially what you're going to be doing. You're going to be setting up free traffic to these offers and getting people to click on and call a phone number. Now, once they call that phone number, you're going to get tracked with it's like an affiliate link, but it's more like pay-per-call. And then you're going to get credited that money whenever somebody calls. So they don't actually have to make a purchase. All they have to do is just call the number and you get paid. So it's very easy, it's very passive, and this is what the Bulletproof Method is all about. Now let's go ahead now and go over the funnel. So the front end starts at $11.95 and it goes up to $12.95 on a dime sale. That means over time it's going to get more expensive. And this gives you the entire system, teaches you how to do it in about 60 to 90 minutes of actual work, and how to earn $100 to $200 per day passively with this method. Now, upsell number one is $37, but there's a downsell for $27, and this is the pro version. So it teaches you how to get more traffic, how to make more sales, and how to make more passive income with the pro version. So I definitely recommend that upsell if you were to pick one. Now, OTO number two is the Bulletproof Done For You. This is going to basically have you skip that trial and error section so you can make money faster with the Bulletproof Method. And they're basically doing your campaigns for you. And all you have to do is take those done for you campaigns and put them into action. Now, OTO number three is $37 and a $17 down sale. And this is the case studies pack. So they're going to give you more case studies on top of the original one that teach you step-by-step over-the-shoulder training on how to do the Bulletproof Method in depth. So I definitely recommend OTO number three. And then the last OTO is the reseller rights. So this allows you to resell the Bulletproof Method like it's your own course and keep 100% of that commission for every sell that you make. So that is all of the funnel inside of the Bulletproof Method. I'm David, the Info Man. I hope that you've enjoyed this review of the Bulletproof Method. If you're at all interested in the Bulletproof Method, go ahead and click on the link down below this video in the description, and it will take you to my bonuses, which are all custom bonuses. You're not going to find them anywhere else online. So thank you. I will see you next time.